Film Supertech, and today we are going to install Nox Player on our Android operating system. So what is Nox Player? Nox Player is a Android emulating app that is used to emulate the Android apps on the Windows PC to run virtually. So how to do that? First you need to click on download, and the download will be the download file will be downloaded. So after that here I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. So here the size is 506 MB, as you can see here, size 506. So you just wait until it downloads, and you just click double click it, and user account controls will come. You need to click on yes, and after opening here, it will show you to install. So click on install, and it may take some time depending on your hardware. So it may install pretty much fastly on this computer. So let's wait until it installs.
A few moments later.
So as you can see here, the installation has been completed, and here you need to click on start to start the Nox player. So after clicking, the Nox player should start. So it may take some time to boot on the first time, so let's wait for it to boot. So as you can see, the Nox player has been booted successfully. So here let's wait it until it boots up. So currently while it is booting, we cannot do it full screen, as you can see. So after booting, it may be full screened. So log in later, and there is a problem right here. There is a problem that here, as you can see, everything is written in Hindi. So Hindi is a language, so here you need to change it from Hindi to the English. So here you need to go to I think general settings, and here you need to, as you can see, Bhasha Hindi means language Hindi. So you need to go and click on English, and here you need to click on this, and it will restart because everything is written in Hindi, so it need to be restarted. So let's wait until it restarts. So as you can see, Nox player has been started, and here as you can see, the Hindi language is converted into English. So let's wait until it starts. So let's wait. So as you can see, Android is booted, and let's full screen, and as you can see here, the Nox player has been booted, and here you need to go to Play Store, and you need to sign up, and that you need to log in and do all that stuff, and there you go, that our Nox player as installed. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, smash that like button, and hit that subscribe button, and share with your friends if they want. So that's it for today, guys, and see you later and I'll catch you with the next video, and I'll be right back with you with the next video. And for that, bye bye.